Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you tips and tricks to complete catch them all achievements easily in Grow a Garden. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is the catch them all achievements and these are the missions that you need to complete. You need to obtain all these paths in Grow a Garden and I'm going to give you the tips. So guys, you can work with your friend or you can use your second account on Roblox. For example, here we need to obtain red giant ant and I have this pad on my inventory and then I'm going to give it to my second account and I want to get that back from my second account. Okay, I'm going to I'm going to close this. All right, and I'm going to give it to my second account. Wait, I'm going to search for my second account. Okay, it's here. This is my second account on Roblox and I'm going to give the red giant ant to my second account. Okay, and I want to get it back from the second account. Okay, wait guys, I'm going to accept it. Wait. Okay, the trade completed and then I'm going to give this pad back to my first account. Okay, I'm going to accept. And as you can see, I have already obtained the red giant ant. So guys, you can practice this trick to easily complete the catch them all achievement. And then the second tip, you can go to the gear shop or the egg shop after they restocked. Wait. And as soon as the egg restock, you can immediately go to the pet egg shop and then you can buy all the egg. Okay, and it will help you to obtain the required pet. And here I have already put on common egg and also the uncommon egg, and let's see what we will get. Wow, I got deer, and I have already completed obtain a deer mission. Okay, and then I'm going to go to my garden guide. Wait guys. Okay, finally I can unlock the obtain a deer and also red giant ant. All right. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. Hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.